With print on demand, one of the most important steps in your business is to pick the right print providers because you rely on them to properly fulfill the orders to your customer. So in order to have happy customers, you must always pick the best print providers. In this video, I'll talk about how Printify has made the process of picking the best print providers so easy with their launch of Printify Choice. So what is Printify Choice and how does it work? So Printify Choice offers a hassle-free fulfillment option that streamlines the print provider selection process, ensuring your orders are fulfilled with the best price, quality, speed every time. The result that you get is to rest easy knowing your customer is getting a top quality product in the quickest time possible. So you used to have to compare the different print providers in order to find the best one. With Printify Choice, you no longer have to waste time doing that. So why choose Printify's Choice? So first of all, you get the finest selection of Printify's products featuring a diverse range of sizes, colors, and print areas, all at the best prices. And you get fixed pricing as well as superior quality because only the top rated providers are part of Printify's Choice network, ensuring premium print quality. You get consistent availability. By choosing the Printify Choice network over a single provider, you substantially reduce the risk of out-of-stock issues. The next one is optimized fulfillment. The orders are fulfilled by warehouses that are closer to the customer, resulting in faster delivery. And lastly, all your orders are backed by the Printify quality promise, which is if anything falls below the standard, you can simply send them a picture and they'll ship a replacement to your customer at no additional cost to you. So these are all the great benefits of using Printify Choice. So next, let me show you the products that are available with Printify Choice. So first, you can just log into your account, and I included a direct link down below if you haven't signed up for an account yet. And once you're logged in, you can just come into Catalog, click on this, and just go to Printify Choice, click on this, and then you'll see all the products that are available with the Printify Choice fulfillment option. So these are all the different type of products that you could choose. So let's come back up and choose an example. So let's go with this t-shirt with Gildan 64,000. So we can click on it and we can just come down here and it will clearly say Printify Choice, as you can see here. So you also have the option to choose manually. So we can click on this tab and then you'll see all the different print providers that you could choose to fulfill your orders with. So normally before Printify Choice, you would need to, check out each and every single one to try to find the best one. You would need to consider the prices and the shipping time and also their production time. And you can also see the ratings over here. So it used to be a much more manual process that would take more time. So with Printify Choice, we can just come here. And once you select this fulfillment option, then Printify will automatically select the top rated print provider to fulfill the order. So as you can see here, in terms of quality, you'll get the top rated quality, you'll get the lowest pricing, you'll get the fastest delivery time, as well as the widest selection of colors and sizes. So with this fulfillment option, it definitely will save you a lot of time and eliminate a lot of your headaches. So to proceed with this option, we just gotta come here to click on Start Designing. And then it will take you to this page where you can design your product. You can upload your design here. And if you need to know the print area size, you can see the information here. You can also click to see more details. You can upload a design to the front side, the back side, and you can also add a neck label if that's something that you want to do. So the entire fulfillment process is super simple. And if you haven't checked out Printify yet, I highly recommend you to do so, especially with Printify's Choice as the fulfillment option. It definitely makes things easier. And Printify is one of the best print providers that I have used personally. So I definitely would recommend them.